In this, we will demonstrate the effect of various salts and acidity on the solubility of soap. The reagents which are used are ethanol, saturated solution of NaOH in alcohol, saturated solution of NaCl in water, saturated solution of CaCl2 in water, saturated solution of magnesium chloride in water, and concentrated hydrogen chloride. Now coming up to the principle. Saponification is basically the process of soap formation. When soap solution acidified, soap is converted to free fatty acid, which being insoluble in water are precipitated. Now procedure. Add 0.5 ml of oil in a dry test tube. Add 2.5 ml of ethanol to it and mix it well. After mixing, add 10 ml of 10% alcoholic NaOH. Shake it well and keep the test tube in boiling water bath for 15 minutes. Add water to make it to 20 ml. Shake well to dissolve. Now take 4 test tubes and label them as A, B, C and D. Divide the solution in each test tube, that is 5 ml in each test tube. In test tube A, add 5 ml of NaCl and shake. In test tube B, add 3 drops of calcium chloride solution and shake. In test tube C, add 3 drops of magnesium chloride solution and shake. In test tube D, add 3 ml of concentrated hydrogen chloride and shake. Do not disturb these tubes for 15 minutes. Now you will notice in test tube A, sodium salt of fatty acid rises up and form a pale white layer. In test tube B, calcium salt of fatty acid is formed, which will have white precipitation. In test tube C, you will see white precipitation of magnesium salt of fatty acid. In test tube D, white precipitation of liberated free fatty acid is obtained.
Saponification. It is used to detect the effect of various salts and acidity on the solubility of soaps. Reagents used are ethanol, saturated solution of sodium hydroxide in alcohol, saturated solution of sodium chloride in water, saturated solution of calcium chloride in water, saturated solution of magnesium chloride in water, and concentrated HCl. We will take a clean dry test tube and add 0.5 ml of oil. Then add 2.5 ml ethanol and mix. Then add 10 ml alcoholic sodium hydroxide. We will make it a total volume of 20 ml by adding water. After making it 20 ml, we will place it in water bath for 15 minutes. After adding 5 ml sodium chloride in test tube A, we will see sodium salts of fatty acid rises up and forms a pale white layer. In test tube B, after adding 3 drops of calcium chloride, we see precipitates of calcium salts is formed. In test tube C, after adding 3 drops of magnesium chloride, we see the precipitates formed of magnesium salts. In test tube D, after adding 3 ml of concentrated HCl, we will see precipitates of liberated free fatty acids is obtained.